Hey there! Welcome to my dropshipping guide. In this script, I'll be sharing some tips on how to start a successful dropshipping business. What is dropshipping? First things first, let's define dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. Benefits of dropshipping. There are several benefits to dropshipping, including no need to keep inventory. You don't have to invest in inventory up front, so you can start your business with little to no capital. Low overhead costs. With no inventory to hold or warehouse space to rent, your overhead costs are low. Easy to start. Dropshipping is relatively easy to set up and requires minimal technical skills. Wide range of products. You can offer a wide range of products without having to invest in inventory. Steps to start a dropshipping business. Here are the basic steps to start a dropshipping business. Choose a profitable niche. Research your niche and make sure there's demand for the products you want to sell. Look for a niche that has low competition and high profit margins. Find a reliable supplier. Look for a supplier who offers quality products and has a good reputation. You can use online marketplaces like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Spocket to find suppliers. Set up an online store. You'll need to set up an online store to sell your products. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce make this easy to do. Choose a design that reflects your brand and make sure your website is easy to navigate. Import products to your store. Once you've found a supplier, you can import their products to your store. Make sure to use high-quality product images and descriptions to entice customers to make a purchase. Promote your store. Use social media, email marketing, and advertising to promote your store and drive traffic to your website. Focus on building a strong brand and loyal following. Fulfill orders. When a customer places an order, you'll need to notify your supplier, who will ship the product directly to the customer. Make sure to keep track of your orders and shipments to avoid any mistakes or delays. Provide excellent customer service. Make sure your customers are happy with their purchases by providing excellent customer service. Respond promptly to any questions or concerns they may have. Tips for success. Here are a few tips to help you succeed in dropshipping. Choose a profitable niche. Research your niche and make sure there's demand for the products you want to sell. Look for a niche that has low competition and high profit margins. Offer quality products. Work with reliable suppliers who offer quality products that will keep your customers happy. You want to build a reputation for selling quality products, so customers keep coming back. Provide excellent customer service. Make sure your customers are happy with their purchases by providing excellent customer service. Respond promptly to any questions or concerns they may have. Stay organized. Keep track of your orders, shipments, and inventory to avoid any mistakes or delays. Use tools like spreadsheets or software to help you stay organized. Continuously learn. Stay up to date with industry trends and continue to educate yourself on how to improve your business. Attend webinars, read books and articles, and network with other dropshippers to gain new insights. Optimize your website. Your website is your storefront, so make sure it's visually appealing and easy to navigate. Use high-quality product images and descriptions to entice customers to make a purchase. Promote your store. Use social media, email marketing, and advertising to promote your store and drive traffic to your website. Focus on building a strong brand and loyal following. Test and experiment. Continuously test and experiment with different products, pricing, and promotions to see what works best for your store. Use A/B testing to compare different approaches and optimize your results. Be patient. Building a successful dropshipping business takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent, and don't give up if you don't see immediate results. That's it for my dropshipping guide. Remember, dropshipping can be a great way to start a business with little to no capital. By following these steps and tips, you can start a successful dropshipping business and grow over time. Good luck!